Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. My name is Karla. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Today's video is going to be a quick clean and decorate with me. This video was cut short. You will see at the end of the video why it was cut short, but hopefully I will get to finish my decorating and my cleaning in the next few days. I do work the next 2 days 12-hour shifts, so I don't know how I'm going to squeeze those in, but I hope to get it done, and that way I can have my whole house decorated for fall. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have a lot of decor. I have a lot of stuff from last year, and then I also stocked up last year's sale for Hobby Lobby when they have their 90% off, and then I got a few things this year at like the Target dollar spot. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get into the decorating. Okay, I will definitely link down these pillow covers down below. I got them off of Amazon for like $18 for 2. I am just loving the dark blue for some reason. I think I've seen it so much in stores that I'm starting to like it, and especially for right now because it matched my felt pumpkins. I have a mustard color and a blue one, and I think it matched just perfectly with the pillows. Okay, y'all, so the funny thing about our letterboard here, I wanted to spell out happy fall, y'all, hashtag pumpkin spice. And the only reason I wanted to do that was because the other day my son and I went to Starbucks and I asked the lady if they had any pumpkin spice frappuccino, and my son just laughed and said, "Mom, really? Pumpkin spice?" So yeah, we thought that was funny. Well, he thought it was funny that I was ordering that, but I ran out of letters, so I had to spell out hashtag pumpkin everything. Y'all, this carpet right here is brand new and I decided not to roll it out. We got it for $150 at Macy's. The lady quoted us wrong and she had to honor that price. This was like a $800 like carpet area rug, however you want to call it, but it is so pretty. I wish I can put it out. It's just we have a dog and we have kids that don't understand that they shouldn't come in the house with shoes, especially if they've been in the mud. So I'm debating whether or not to put it out here in the living area or just put it in our room. So maybe the next video I'll have it out in one of those rooms.
You just come running by.
guys, and this is the point of the day where everything got kind of crazy. It is about 3:30 and the boys were about to get off the bus, and we had a issue with our septic tank that started the night before. My husband and my father-in-law, they checked it out and it was a clog, but the clog turned out to be something beyond a clog, I guess. I don't know. This house is pretty old. It was built in 95, and I don't know if the previous owners ever pumped the septic tank. I don't know anything about septic tanks, you guys. I grew up in the city. I'm from New Jersey, so I don't know anything about that. But turns out that it was clogged and they had to dig, and you guys will see how much of a mess that created. But at this point, the boys were getting home from school, and my husband was actually in the bedroom talking to me as I was cleaning and saying that we might have to go stay in a hotel because we can't use the water. So here are the boys getting home, and we're telling them that we have to pack and kind of go to a hotel because we can't use the water. We can't turn it on because the septic tank was left open or something, or I'm not sure, but this is right here, the mess. This is a crazy disaster that sent us to a hotel, you guys, and stopped me from finishing my home and cleaning up, because throughout the day they were working on this, but it turns out it was more than what they thought it was, and we could not turn on the water. So yes. So this is the mess that's in my backyard. Even as I am doing this voiceover, it still looks like this because it had rained. This was Monday, and then Tuesday it rained, and today is Wednesday and it still looks like this. So you guys pray for me, and hopefully they can get this whole entire thing fixed because my parents will be here for the weekend. So yeah, so that is the crazy disaster that is happening right now. And we're back home, we're able to shower, but not as much. Like, I can't run the dishwasher, I can't wash clothes, so it's a bit chaotic. But you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.